And right now the red one's on that side, that one. So we should get about, yeah, 12 voltage, 13 voltage. That's pretty much what we're getting right now. Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I bring a smart digital multimeter. We're going to take a look at it and we're going to test it out, see how well it works. Now, this is a digital reader instead of an actual dial-up. We're going to take a look at it and see how well it works. Basically, when you get off the box, it's a plug and play. They give you all the instructions out of the bat, and it's very simple to set up. So we're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you get some of this. All right, so what they give you is a case itself. Beautiful little case, hard case, if you guys could see it. They give the manual here, how to use it, how to set it up, and how to test things out, because everything's different, especially if you're going to test a car battery to a regular battery. You got to change the functions in here. A lot of people don't know that you have to modify to certain things. So we're going to take a look at it and open it up and put it in the right hands. I'm not an electrician, but it's a great thing to have, especially if you're going to be working in the computer field, or you have to deal with any kind of electricity. You want to make sure you have something like this to help you out and guide you, and give you some more information about it. So a lot of these people that are using these things are first timers, just like me. It's great now that we're setting up solar panels. This is a great function to actually set those up and test them out too. So first of all, out of the box, they give you all the cables that are required. And if you guys can see, these are actually the way you're going to test things out physically by touching the system itself. All right. Batteries. This is a plus. A lot of these systems don't even come with batteries no more. You have to pretty much, and right here they pretty much buy them, but now they give it to you up front. Another type of tester here, a thinner one, if you guys can see it. Very simple to actually open it up. We're going to open this one up too. But let's take a look at the actual system itself. If you guys can see it, very basic, a lot better than the other dial tone. This actually shows quality and new kind of tech that we're going into. Instead of doing the dial tone like the old one, you could actually do the same functions faster and better on this one. So we're going to take a look at it. We're going to open it up. On top of that, they give you the APO here, a light sensor here, and here's where all the connections actually plug into the bottom and the back. So we're going to take a look at it and see how it works. All right, we're going to take a look at the actual system itself. To remove the actual thing and to replace the battery, you need to remove the casing. And the casing itself, it's really unique. I really like it that they cover it up. So it can make it some waterproof, not completely submerged, but at least enough for the rain, moisture, or any kind of mist that you're going to have, or you're going to work around it. So in order to remove this, you gotta have to remove this so you can actually set up the actual batteries in there. So we're gonna do that right now. Let's go ahead and remove that. All right, removing the cover is a little hard, but it actually came out. I like it that it's very difficult to remove because it won't just slip off for any kind of emergency. To remove it and open it up, you need to open the screws, and there's a screw in here that you got to open it up. If you guys see it, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and plug it back in and connect this. You gotta basically start from the bottom because it does have the little pinchers in there, and that's about it. And if you guys can see it automatically turned on, if you guys can see the voltages, it's doing auto right now, so it could pick up anything pretty much. So let's go ahead and plug some in. All right, if I come with the automatically, I don't have to change anything, just turn it on and go to your battery. Go to your battery actually. Change this around, make sure I got the right voltage. Move it around. 12.68, a little bit more accurate. We move this one out. We get the digital one. It's a little windy out here today. And we turn it to, you have to change this. You have to manually change it yourself, all right? And go ahead and test it out yourself. And it won't hold for any seconds or anything like that. It doesn't have anything, any lights like this one. You can't even tell. It doesn't have any light like this one, light source. Rugged. This is not even waterproof. You got to read voltages, to read if there are any power sources. You could change and maximize it. On this one, you have to manually come in here and turn it off. And then here, there's a power button, which you see on the top, and it's red, indicating simple. All right, one great thing, if you guys could notice, it's giving me the temperature in certain areas. All right, it's a temperature reader, electrical meter reader, pretty much a lot in one light, if you guys can see, also included. And I hope you guys enjoyed the show. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.